Hi, my name is Pat Milani, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some highlights from my paper written on social media influencers and education. The definition of a social media influencer can vary from source to source. However, it always seems to come back to that credibility word. But who's giving them this credibility? It's their viewers, their fans, giving them thousands, even millions of views, likes, and shares. And a large portion of these fans happen to be our students. In a recent survey, 29% of the 3,000 students surveyed in America said that they want to be a YouTuber when they grow up. In the UK, it was 30%. That was the number one response in both nations. These are people that our students are looking up to, spending hours each week, maybe even each day, following along with what their favorite influencers are doing, and even emulating them. The same way a lot of us emulated our favorite actors, actresses, singers, athletes when we were their age. You might be wondering what this has to do with diversity and inclusion. Well, from my point of view, there's two main ways that this plays a role in what we're doing in our schools. Number one is the curriculum. There are a wide range of 21st century skills that go into becoming an influencer or even just creating, editing, producing, releasing, and managing all this content that these influencers are putting out. For successful influencers, this turns into their income. As far as our curriculum goes, I don't see this as being a necessary complete overhaul of any of the existing curriculum that we have in our schools right now. This could be a new course, a unit in an existing course, or even a single project. This comes into the business world, finance, or a number of different avenues in the multimedia conversation. When we talk about real-world learning, this covers multiple areas of that conversation. Secondly, I believe this presents opportunity and creates a situation where we could have or start to have some of those difficult conversations with our students. These influencers do a number of things. One of them, of course, being selling products, endorsing products. This is the profit side of the conversation. However, when they get into sharing ideals, sharing their point of view on things going on in our society, this is a powerful piece that we can use in our classrooms and help start those conversations and have them with our students. Outside of that, just the sheer opportunity for students to be able to have access to go through the process of learning these 21st century skills can only really take place in our buildings. Few students have everything they would need outside of the classroom to even start entertaining going down this road and doing something that in this moment, whether it be the long-term decision for their life goals or not, that they want to pursue and are excited about. Whether it be a video about the upcoming school dance, a quick conversation about upcoming SEL week in school, or even fully replacing the old school news channel. Why can't we find a way to fit something like this in for our students? Thanks for listening and have a great rest of your day.